Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. Let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Advanced and then find Reset Options. As you can see at the top, we've got the option Looking For, so let's tap on it, and here your device is of course informing you what it will actually reset, so basically everything, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on Reset Settings, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So tap on Reset Settings if you are ready and wait a second. As you can see, we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.